Hello everybody, it's Nash from Restless Kustoms. It's the Skyline 350 GT for sale at the moment. We've got 3-piece wheels. I really don't know what makes are they, but if I'm not wrong, they're 9.5 and 8.5, 18 inch. Honestly, I really like driving this car. It's very comfortable GT, comfortable Ventura for what they are. They are very underestimated cars. This car have some battle scars. The engine gearbox wise, beautiful. I drove it from Leicester to Manchester and I enjoyed every second of it. It got LSD, so went side was really easy. I'm not saying that I did sideways on the motorway, but and it does have a smart system. Now listen. Other than that, it's a nice, beautiful car. This will be the cheapest in the country. We got long MOT till end of December, if I'm not wrong. If I had one car to keep drive around daily, this will be my daily. But unfortunately, I need a diesel to drive around every day because I do a lot of miles. Honestly, I like this car. I really like this car. Alrighty, until the next video. Adios.